Hello friend, my name is Vikas. Today I am going to show you how to install Laravel on your Mac. Okay. For installing Laravel, you have to follow this two steps. You should have this PHP and Composer. Now go to laravel.com. Check here. So if you go here, you have to go to laravel.com. So go click on documentation. So for server requirement, so see here server requirement is PHP 7.2. okay, so how you will check your you have PHP 7.2 in your PC or not? So go to the terminal, write PHP. See, I already have PHP 7.2 on my machine. So if you don't have PHP 7.2, I have previous video where I show how to install PHP 7.2 on your PC, so you can check from there. Okay. So second thing, we need Composer. For checking Composer, right here Composer. So I already have Composer on my PC. So if you don't have Composer on in your PC, so you can check my previous video where I have so how to install Composer on your PC. So here I have PHP 7.2 version and Composer also. So now the step how we will install Laravel. Okay. So for installing Laravel, don't have to do anything. If you have Composer, just copy this. Okay. Just copy this one. So I don't want to install Laravel on my root folder. I will go to desktop cd. So here I will install Laravel. Don't have to give this one. So what you have to write, if you have Composer and PHP 7.2, so you can install your Laravel, latest version of Laravel on your PC. For this you have to write Composer, create project, Laravel blog. So it will create a Laravel project with the name blog. Okay. So if I go to desktop, see I don't have any blog folder here. So if I hit enter here, so Laravel will install new project with, say I have hit enter. Now it's processing. It will take little bit time for processing. See here one blog is created with the name blog. Okay, if you go to here, it's still processing, it's not installed fully. See, it's updating dependency and all this thing. It will take little bit time. Okay, So don't turn off your terminal, otherwise it will not install fully. So it will take less than a minute and it will install. So it's installing. It will take little bit time. It will take little bit time. It's installing. See, it's in process. It will install the latest version of Laravel. So how you will check? See, it's installed. So how you will check whether it is latest version or not? Go to your, open this one. I have edit. Okay, say it install. So how will you will check whether it is latest version or not? See, it's showing here. It's Laravel framework 6.2. It's the latest version of Laravel is installed on your PC. Okay, so how you will run now? How you will run Laravel? This one. So for running Laravel, just go to your terminals. Go ahead. See, I have in the blog. Okay, just write php artisan serve. It will give you the path where you can learn your Laravel. Go ahead, paste it. See, your Laravel is installed. This is very simple step you can follow, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, and thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.